Road o
Ayun,
sa
ayun
North.
pala. Okay.
Ayan. So, yan. Siguro pwede mong
Mira.
So, that's the Mira, no?
Yes, sir.
So,
For
the
Mira,
center of the family living. So, goods talaga siya sa mga starting na family and mga bachelors and stuff, no? So, ito yung mga unit types natin ng Mira. So, if you can see, meron tayong 2 bedrooms with balcony, around 72 square meter, no? Ang floor area niya 78. Kasi yung 6 meters dyan is sa balcony. So meron tayong 2 bedrooms without balcony, 1 bedroom with and without balcony. And of course, meron tayong mga studio. 26.5. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, na ang studio ng Mira is parang kasing laki ng 1 bedroom ng ibang developer.
so medyo mas may advantage yung
Malaki siya.
size.
Yes, correct. And aside for that, no, hindi siya, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng partition kung gusto mo ng privacy. So maganda talaga siya. At
So mamaya
saka-
makikita natin.
So you will see and you can compare kapag magpunta kayo sa ibang developer na tingnan nyo kung ano yung mga cut. Kasi normally kasi ang cut ng studio is 18 start, right?
Usually, mas maliit. Usually, maliit lang mga studio unit ng
18. 18
ibang developer.
18 is the regular. Pero ito kasi is 26.5. Is almost, di ba? 1 bedroom. Actually, 1 bedroom. 21 is 1 bedroom sa ibang.
Okay.
21, 22 is 1 bedroom already. So this project is really special. And that's one of our best seller condominiums so far. No, sobrang bilis. Within 2 years, yung Tower 1 ng Mira is sold.
Ano yung target market niya?
Target market natin is small family. Bachelors, yung mga student of course kasi nearby lang siya sa mga university. Isang sakay mo lang University Belt. So there's an MRT goes to LRT, there's a bus stops going to north and east. So everywhere nandiyan dyan.
More on
Of
the
course.
area of Araneta Center.
More area in Cubao.
Cubao area.
As we know that when you're living in Cubao, there's a prime address that you have na. So, but then, hindi lang yung prime address kasi, yung convenient. Kasi, kung gusto mo na, walkable, everything is walkable na. You don't need car. Yeah?
Pag nasa Araneta ka.
Pag nasa Cubao ka, you don't
Cubao
need
area.
car.
Pero pag, halimbawa, sa Eastwood, how many minutes?
Ito po. So, as you can see, ang layo niya po sa Eastwood is 4.3 kilometers lang. Sobrang lapit. So, kung itong Araneta is walkable, ang Eastwood around 10-15 minutes
10
nandun
to
ka na
15
po.
minutes. So, by car.
Kasi 4.3.
Or by car or by public transport.
By car. Yeah. Public transport, taxi or
Taxi or
UV
Grab,
Express or something. But then you are already in Cubao. So in Cubao, there's a lot of transport hub. So marami dyan, anywhere. No? Bridgetown, yung next BGC. Ito po yung next BGC. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo.
Meron din kayong ano doon.
Ito po, yan yung mga sample showroom natin later on. Yan yung ating puntahan. Papakita natin sa ating mga guests. Alright. So, ito, Ortigas Center. So, ang layo ni Cubao to Ortigas Center is just 6 kilometers. 30 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes. Ano yun peak hour.
Peak hour.
Kasi, from Cubao, EDSA, ang labas mo na dito na po sa may Ortigas. Siguro more on kapag wala kang car, travel ka lang from Ortigas MRT, baba ka po dito sa SM Mega Mall. So dito na yan, konting walk na lang, nandiyan ka na sa Ortigas. So like I said, it's good deal if you're gonna get Mira or in Ortigas area. Kasi anywhere, see, very near in BGC, 7 kilometers away. So, sa City Medical Center, yan mga centers natin, residential condominiums sa Escalade, East Tower.
Escalade, Parang
Yes.
ano ata nyo, project nyo rin ata.
Yes, apa.
Robinsons.
Aurora Escalade, yes. Ito po, kabilang street lang nila. Aurora. Escalades at the 20th. Sa 20th, ano. Sa commercial establishment, ayan. Sa Easy Mart, Ali Mall, New Frontier Theater, SM City Cubao, Farmers Market, Gateway. Lahat yan. Pwedeng walk lang. See? 500 meters, 550, 800 meters. Wala pang 2 kilometers. Lahat yan, mapupuntahan mo by walk. Alright? So, ito naman yung mga institution natin. So, ang TIP, sa likod lang, 700 meters. Sa likod, sa kabilang street lang po. Ateneo de Manila, 3 kilometers. Miriam College, UP, Lasal Green Hills. You see,
Katipunan area.
more on
These schools.
yes po. And ito po sa may sa UP Diliman mismo.
Diliman na.
Ito sa may Green Hills. Dito lang po sa may EDSA.
San Juan.
See, as you can see, super lapit sa university. Yes. Alright, so ito yung mga typical sample namin ng studio unit ng Mira. So as you can see, it's 2.5 square meter, no? Ayan. So, mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung actual. You know, from the tiles, sobrang detail niyan, promise. Kapag nag-turn over kasi ang RLC ng unit, gamit mo na lang at ikaw ang kulang.
So, almost
Ah,
semi-furnished or full furnished.
Bibigyan mo na lang, lalagyan nyo na lang siya ng gamit. At saka yung titira. Yes.
That's nice.
Well, sa amin kasi, no, kapag let's say may mga previous din kaming binibigay, depende sa sa usapan natin. Alright.
So, ano yung mga freebies na?
Well, we're giving aircon.
May mga appliances talaga.
Upon turnover, we're giving rep. Depende sa'yo.
By the way, yung si studio unit, magkano yung monthly?
Studio, sige po, later papakita ko sa inyo yung computation ha. So, para ma-excite ka. Pero roughly around start of 14K
14,000. Si studio unit.
sa studio unit po.
Premium.
Premium, yeah. And it will turn over this coming 2030.
20.
So 5 years from now,
5 years to go.
pre-selling is better. Kasi kung hindi mo pa naman siya gagamitin, much better kung kang pre-selling. But then if you really want to go on board na, you want to move in na, then get the RFO. So we do have some projects na RFO na po.
That's nice.
Yeah. So you can move in within within 3 months to 90 days. Yes, correct. Okay, so that's gonna be the unit finish. Ito po yung turnovers natin. So, later, ipa-flash natin sa screen yung actual, okay? Kitchen deliverables. Ayan. Mas maganda makita natin yung actual later. Ikot po tayo. So, toilet and baths. And better, later, isa-isahin po natin yan. Alright, so ano ba yung mga features nito? So, as you can see, no, for the unit provision, so individual electric and water meter. So, ilan pa? Sige, i-focus nyo lang, sir, ha? Yan. I-pause nyo na lang po pagka ano. So, lahat pong yan na promise ng RLC, lahat yan is ibinibigay namin. Minsan sobra pa. Yeah. If we say na, okay, we will give you this, we will deliver it. As you can see in our record, no, for 4 years consecutive, we are #1 developer in the Philippines.
Pero may mga awards na yata
Yes,
sa RLC.
we are the latest. Actually, is consistently a 2025 Guru Award. Yeah.
That's nice. So it means
and-
talagang quality.
Opo. At saka hindi lang yung sa award ng mga units, no. So we are actually recognized din ng international. So if you notice sa Bridgetown, meron tayong Victor, yung nakaganan.
Monument.
The Victor statue.
Statue.
So that's a light statue located on the Bridgetown destination state.
So it's one of the landmarks in Bridgetown.
Yes, not just the Bridgetown, it's one of the landmark now in the Philippines.
Okay.
It is actually reported in TV Patrol, if you can see. sa news natin, no? Na ano siya, na siya mas matangkad siya kay mas mataas siya yung body itself kay Liberty ng New York.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yes. So siya na ngayon yung bagong landmark ng Philippines. Destination ng mga tourists. Okay. So doon din sa Bridgetown itatayo ang kauna-unahang 5-star hotel ng owned by the Filipino. So abangan nyo yan. The Philly Hotel.
Feeling that.
Yes.
So, more specialized on Filipino culture and history.
Yes. And then, syempre, pag sinabi mo ng 5-star, talaga namang grabe yung ano. So
from
that's
restaurants
one
then
thing, no? That's one thing.
Filipino.
But if you have the unit or the house inside the Bridgetown, together with that kind of environment, no? Mga 5-star hotel, mga landmark ng Philippines, mga parang siya na kasi next BGC like I said earlier, and you have your own unit there, imagine, kung bibilin mo ngayon, magkano yan in 5 years from now? Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So, mayroon po kayong project din doon?
Yes, within that
Within
destination.
Bridgetown?
Yes
So,
po.
ano po yun, sir?
Lepon,
Lepon.
at saka yung
Which is yung
Cirrus,
nasa likod natin.
which is ito, papakita natin mamaya. At saka hindi lang yon, papakita natin mismo yung
Yung unit?
actual unit.
Actually.
Alright,
Okay.
yes.
That's nice. So, si Lepon, how many years bago siya turn over?
So, matuturn over siya 2030.
20 years.
Sabay po siya nung isang
Mira.
building.
Si Mira.
Si Mira din. Kasi si Lepon po
Kasabay siya.
is a flagship. Ibig sabihin, isa sa mga high-end ng RLC. So you will see, when you go after the penthouse, doon sa altitude 51, no? Doon mo makikita yung $1 million view, which is the bridge. Lepont means the bridge.
Parang doon din yata yung mga headquarters ni RLC.
Ngayon
Lee
po.
Robinson, si
Ah,
URC.
you-
Universal Robinson.
Meron po doon. So, gagawin, eventually, yun nag-evolve
Opus
na ron.
Mall.
If you know, Opus Mall, yes, actually, 2 addresses, prime addresses.
Before sa Eastwood. So, familiar ako dun sa area.
Yes, very near po, yun, very near.
Parklinks, parang kapitbahay niyo yata.
Yes, correct. Si Opus Mall kasi is really owned din ni Robinson.
Ni Robinson.
That's the high-end mall so far. Kaya why not Robinson? Kasi that's belong to the, not belong, that is for the target traffic generation, which is the elites.
For
Alright.
future tenants of the Bridgetown as well.
Yes, correct. And kaya nga sabi ko kanina, hindi lang yun yung pinagmamalaki nila, no? Yung landmark itself. Kasi hindi lang siya for RLC. That's for the Philippines na. And well known. Yes.
So,
Yeah.
we're going back to Mira.
Going back to Mira, yes po. So ito yung mga hinahanap na mga clients. Katulad nyo po. At sa mga nanonood.
Alright.
So, ang hinahanap ng client kasi, first is prime location, like yung diniscuss natin kanina, prime location, which is yun nga, everything is near. No? Ngayon, yung amenities. So,
Ano
let's,
bang meron dyan? Amenities?
yes, let's talk about amenities. So, what's special in Mira is, these amenities. Why? Because not every single condominium has this kind of amenities. So ano yun? First, pet park. Glamping nook. Alright? So parang
what you mean pet
mag-picnic.
park? Any pets?
Yes.
Ilang specific?
Apo, wag lang sobrang laki. Wag lang tiger. Alright. So wag lang lion. So yung any harm. So ibig sabihin yan, since may pet park ang Mira, si Mira, no? So ibig sabihin yan, pet friendly sila.
Whether cats, dogs.
Yes, any pet that won't harm anyone. Okay?
As a friendly
Wag lang
pet.
snake. I mean, yeah.
Snake.
Okay, so glamping
Di
nook.
ba yata nag-aalaga ng snake pero exotic yata.
Yes. More on like that. Yes. But I'm not really sure if ang snake, ang alam ko reptile is not allowed.
Okay. So, yan. Bawal ang reptiles.
Yes. Alright. So, yeah. So, back here. So,
Glamping
glamping nook. Okay. Parang magpipiknik po kayo dyan.
Okay, more on picnic.
More, oh yeah. So, outdoor play. Meron ding indoor. So, may lap pool. Diba?
How many
May resort ka
meters?
na. Ng,
Yung deep depth niya.
mga 3 feet po ito.
3 feet lang.
So, ito po
Ano
yung
yung pinakamalalim?
drop off. Ito po kasi hindi pa na pero mostly sa mga other is 6
feet.
5-6 ganun.
5 to 6 feet.
Yung mga RFO ngayon na napupuntahan namin 3 feet.
3 feet.
Tapa.
More on kids.
Pag naka-infinite siya. Mga hanggang bewang. Okay. So, ito naman, alright, yung leisure pool. Merong kiddie pool. Sa drop-off point, ito din sa entrance na. So, garden view deck. Yan, ang maganda. Makikita mo dyan si Sierra Madre. Sierra Madre na
Bundok.
mountain. Aba. So, super
So, facing Cainta, Antipolo area to.
around there. Rizal.
Rizal
Facing
area.
Rizal po ito.
Rizal.
Meron ding facing ng city. Depende po sa atin kung ano yung preferred. But then, si Mira kasi, pinopromote natin yung tranquility ng area. So, if say you're really relaxing while you are in the city. Yeah. Alright? So, outdoor fitness. Ayan, meron din tayo. Indoor amenities, meron tayong moon lounge. Ayan, libre ang wifi. Ayan, meron tayong yoga center. Ito, a learning scape. Yan po yung pwedeng kung may mga tutor yung mga anak natin. It's
So, pwedeng magpa-schedule ng
Opo,
the future.
you don't need to go to your room. Just go on these amenities. Sa amenities pa lang, sulit na. Apo. Ayan, so main lobby. Alright, parang hotel talaga yan, no? Nakikita niyo. Mamaya ipa-flash natin sa screen, no? So, playground. Meron tayong multipurpose court dito. Pero half court lang siya. So, multipurpose court where you can play basketball, tennis, or whatever, soccer, pero half court lang.
Oh, that's nice. So, may gym din.
Meron po. Okay. Dance studio, meron din.
Yung fitness center.
Yes. So, Mira Hall, ayan. Ito naman yung playscape. Okay, indoor. So, may clinic. So, like I said, hindi lahat ng condominium is may ganyan. Clinic. So, may sarili siyang clinic.
So, super premium talaga ang
Yes po. In super cheap price for now. Kasi it's pre-selling din. Fitness center. Indoor. There you go. Yan ang hinahanap ng mga tao. Okay.
Smart
So,
home.
yes. So, yun nga
Alexa
po.
ba yan?
So, ang pangatlong hinahanap ng clients is yung features. So, how are you going to get this kind of stuff? So, Mira is actually giving its best, no? Na makakasabay sa yung home mo is makakasabay sa mga technological advantage like this one. So, it's smart home na. So, as you can see, everything is controlled by you. So, let's say for example, no, naiwan mong bukas yung aircon o may nakaiwan mong bukas yung aircon, then malayo ka na. So, you can actually turn it off using your phone. Yeah.
Through an app.
Yes po. Let's say nag-Hong Kong kayo. Meron kayong friends na gusto makituloy. Okay.
Pwede
And
mabuksan.
you can unlock it through your phone. Later on, mas maganda kasi makita natin yung actual.
Okay. That's nice. So,
Audio-video intercom.
may intercom din.
Yes, audio-video. Makikita nyo sila, pero hindi kayo makikita. Alright, so
Ano yan sa may main door ng unit?
yes po. Meron din tayo dito sa smart switch, like I said. Ayan, smart lock. So, smart lights. You can, nabanggit nyo si Alexa. Yes, pwede si Alexa i-connect.